Hi everybody, my name is Cheri. Welcome to my stamp studio. I have a really fun project for you today, and it is one of the bundles that's featured in my upcoming online summer retreat. But before I do that, I'm going to remind you of the big sale that we have going on right now. So these two cards were both made with dies that are half off, ribbon that is half off, ladybugs that are half off, and stamps that are 20% off. And that's all part of our last chance sale that is from the January to June mini catalog. So the things that are, I have a whole list of things on my website, and I have a video walkthrough as well where I went through the catalog with you. So if it's not in this catalog, then it's retiring. And the stuff that is retiring, a lot of it is on sale, as evidenced here. So when you can get a stamp set for 20% off and they're coordinating dies for 50% off, it's a heck of a deal. And I always like to remind people that when our ribbon goes 50% off, as both of these are, it's great for stocking up on wrapping gifts, tying up gift bags. It's way prettier than any ribbon you're gonna get at Hallmark or Target or anywhere like that. And it's way cheaper. You could even wrap, both of these would work for Christmas presents. So it's a great time to stock up. It's also a great time to stock up if you have children who like to stamp with you, and then you can get them their own ladybug trinkets for $3 and something, and they don't use your embellishments. So there's an embellishment I'm using on today's card that's my favorite embellishment out of this catalog, and they are also on sale. But like I said, the set I'm gonna do today is from the new catalog. So this catalog just started in May. So my summer online retreat, there's different ways that you can participate. It's all online, and it's all pre-recorded videos just like this one. So you don't have to like be there during the weekend retreat. It's set aside in case you want to set time aside with friends that you stamp with. Then you can, like, it's all coordinated, but you have up to a year. The videos are on there for a year, and they're private. So you can get just the videos, you can get just the videos in the paper, you can get the videos, the paper, and a selection of the stamps, or you can get the whole shebang. If you get the whole thing with all of the bundles that we're using, then I use a bunch of my free rewards from that, and I give you some extra free goodies. So that's always the best deal, but I realize some of you may already have the sets. The one I'm gonna use today, and this is part of the retreat, is the What's Cookin'. So I try to always have a theme with my retreats. This one is kind of more out of the box. So the winter retreat was the shells, the sharks, the flamingos. It was kind of back to the beach in the middle of winter. The spring one, we did a lot of embossing. So it was kind of some fun techniques, but they were all flower-based sets. This one, there's no flowers. It's the What's Cooking, there's the turtle, there's the After the Storm, and I'm gonna use the diorama dies. So that's super fun. This, well, one, I could eat mushrooms every day of my life. So anytime they give us a mushroom stamp, love it. I like that it's different, and the dies, you're gonna really like the dies, which is what we're focusing on today. And then I'm also using the watercolor shapes. After I did this card, I thought, oh, I should have included that in the retreat. The registration for it opens on June 4th, and then you'll be able to see the different ways. I haven't posted it yet. So this card is super simple. Let me pull out my supplies. And here are, look at the dies. Look at that cutting board. Isn't it cute as can be? We do have some silver foil coming back out in the holiday catalog that starts in August. But for now, I'm going to go copper because that's the foil we have. We have copper and gold foil right now. And then these are the Resin Heart embellishments, and these are on sale. They're retiring. And those were my favorites out of the January to June mini catalog. I used them on everything. And when they first came out, I was like, well, they are, they're hearts. They're kind of Valentine-y, but I've used them on everything, as you're going to see when you use them on a cooking card. So I'm going to cut these things out first. So this set is great if you're going to do a bridal shower. You could do recipe cards at the shower, or you could make recipe cards and include them in with your invitation so they can bring them filled out. If you are a pampered chef or epicure or wild tree or any of those, I think this is a must-have because the hostess thank yous and little invitations and just the way you decorate your products, super cute. It also makes great masculine cards. If you're gonna have a patio party, which, it's 2021 and we can all party on the patio again. We can party anywhere. And you could do Father's Day if the guys in your life love to cook or if they like to eat. So the possibilities with this set are endless, and it's not floral. which I love me a good floral set. Don't you doubt that. And if you look at my channel, most of my stuff, well, not most, probably half is floral. But I also love when they give us something that's not. So these, being careful with the foil. I don't like to use the roller on the foil because it scratches it up. So get those popped out. But look, this one does too. It doesn't come out as well on the regular cardstock, but it has the little notches. So super cute. And then here's the cutting board, which is the main reason I got the set. So here is, see, it even has the wood grain in it. So cute. Makes me want to have a patio party with some grilled pizza. So then to make your card, I have some black cardstock, and it is cut long way. So it's 11 by 4 1/4, and it's only like that it's scrap from a previous project that I've done. You don't have to fold it this way. One of my thank you gifts this month is a bone folder if you purchase from my website. So you can get the details down below the video or over on my website or in my email. It's always the best place. So you can get a bone folder. You can also get a bone folder with the charm. So my husband drills the holes, and one of my best friend makes the charms. So that's the June thank you special, one of them. So you can get those details there. Every month I have a thank you gift. Every month you can be part of my VIP video club. If you purchase from me, then the following month you get the supplies to follow along with me on a private video. So this is the Sahara Sand. And this is the rectangle out of the watercolor shapes. I think this is a must-have set, no question about it, because it will give you all kinds of options. See how the shading is? That's just one stamp. You don't have to know how to shade. You don't have to know how to do anything special. The stamp does it all for you. And then I have chosen, the words in the set are cute, sending you a dash of kindness and a spoonful of love. So let's just put this down over here. And I like the way this just gives you something on the card, especially if you if you're out of some coordinating. I looked at all the designer series papers to see if there was something that I wanted to work, but I knew I wanted to be muted and everything was just too much. So this little square then just gives you the perfect amount of faux designer series paper, I guess, because it has a little background back there, but it's super easy to do. And the other reason that you have to have a bone folder is so you can smash your blends. Spritzing with my blends is one of my favorites, and if you have the bone folder, it doesn't take hardly any hits at all. So just add a little bit of speckles to that. So now our background has some great texture. If I can pick it up. But it's all done with ink. So it's not real texture, but it has that depth to it. So let's put this together. So I took the cutting board and I just put a little bit of adhesive across the top. If you're a member of my team, then you get all the video portions of my classes for free. And then I went this way with this one. We just Zoomed last night because everybody they get the video portions of all my classes all year long. And then if they're new or if they want to Zoom to put the Try It class together, I send them all the stuff. So we did that last night. It was super fun. I love seeing them all because we have people from all over the United States. I don't know where I put my scissors. I just had them because I cut them. I'll just get another pair. This is why you need lots of pairs of snips. Those were last month's thank you gift because you can never have too many because you don't know where you lay them. But we did our team Zoom last night and we had ladies from all across the United States participate. So I've doubled this over. Super easy. If you are bow challenged, this is the card for you because it's not going to be a bow. But I don't pull it tight because you don't want it to smash the things because they're not metal. They're just paper, even though they look so real. Whenever I do cards like this, it reminds me of when my daughter was little and anything that was miniature size, we always called it American Girl. So this looks like some American Girl little thing. So just tie that knot. And then you don't want the twine to overwhelm. You need enough twine that you can tie it because it's kind of tiny. So then just trim it off. And this is from our new twine pack that has the vanilla, which is the color I used. It has black, white, and then a couple of shades of brown. So now I'm just going to stick this on here. And I don't want to cover up all of this because I love the rectangle, so let a little bit of it peek out if you can from the sides. Stick this on here. The online retreats are 12 projects. I don't know if I said that. And they're a variety of ones. So if you don't have, if you have a set similar, then you can use substitute. You don't have to have the exact sets. This is the Resin Heart. And I debated because the red would look cute on here, but the white won out. How easy, how beautiful, how super cute. Isn't that not, oops, if I could hold it, super fun. Here's the other one. This is one of those cards. You know, sometimes when I do them, I'm like, this looks a little different. This one I did on shimmer white because, again, I was using scraps on my desk. This one's on vanilla. So it has a tad bit of a difference. If you would hold this in the light, which it's raining in Indianapolis right now. So there's not any natural light coming in my studio. But this one has that tiny bit of shimmer, which again is pretty. The vanilla is just a little bit richer of a vanilla color. This one's shimmer white is not white or vanilla. It's that nice in between. But there you go. If you're interested in my retreat or joining my team or getting the bone folder with the charm, all that information will be below the video or on my website. And when you're on my website, if you click it to join my email list, then you'll always know everything you need to know when you need to know it. Everybody have a great day. Bye.